How to fix Shopee error checkout S13. I'm going to tell you how to fix Shopee error checkout S13. This error usually happens due to payment issues, account restrictions, or system glitches. First, try switching to a different payment method. Shopee may flag unusual activity, so using a credit or debit card instead of a digital wallet might work. Next, ensure your internet connection is stable. Switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data can help. If the issue persists, clear the Shopee app cache in your phone settings or try logging out and back in. Updating the app to the latest version can also resolve compatibility issues. If nothing works, uninstall and reinstall Shopee to refresh its system. Lastly, check for account limitations or shipping restrictions that might be blocking your order.